Hi, today we're going to talk about exponential and logarithmic equations. So here's a property. If two sides have the same base, then their exponents are the same. So if they're the same on both sides, then those things are the same. So for example, these ones have uncommon bases, so we got to make them have the same base. Well, if you look at this has a 2, and we can rewrite 4 with 2's. So that's what we're going to do here. So this is 2 to the negative 1 times x plus 7. This is 2 squared times 3x. That. So basically, when we distribute, these two are the same, so we don't worry about it. So we distribute the negative, so negative x minus 7 equals 6x. So negative 7 equals 7x. Negative 1 equals x. And that is how you solve it. Go ahead and try this problem. Okay, how can we rewrite this using logarithms? So to rewrite it, basically, we have a base 4. So it's log 4 of 17 equals x. So that's simple. It's just a rewrite. And then from there, you can use the change of base if you wish to solve it. Go ahead and try this one. Okay, so we're going to use the rewriting of logs to actually solve this thing. So if we take a look at this, we could log 3 both sides. So if I log 3, I get x plus 1 equals log 3 of 5. And then from there, we can solve subtracting 1. But if we actually want to solve what x is and find out what it is, we gotta do the change of base. To do the change of base here, we just log 5 over log of 3. And then we subtract the 1. So we plug that in the calculator, we get 0.46497. So that's pretty much it. Another way of doing it, if you want to skip this part, is you just log both sides. So let me show you that. So if we log 3 to the x plus 1, and then we log 5, we can move that to the front. And then from there, we can divide by log 3, so we get x plus 1 equals log 5 over log 3. And then we just take it from there, just like before. But I think this is a little bit cleaner, and to me, it makes a little more sense. But go ahead and try this problem. Go ahead and try this problem. And now we're going to solve logarithmic equations. So the way we go about doing this is, since they have ln's on both sides, they cancel out. So we have x squared minus 16 equals 6x. So we get x squared minus 6x minus 16 equals 0. So x minus 8, x plus 2 equals 0. So we get 8, we get negative 2. One of these is not a real answer, because you cannot log a negative or a 0. If I plug in 8, everything's good. If I plug in negative 2, they both get negative. So this is not true. So whenever you solve logarithmic equations, check for the negative or the 0. Go ahead and try that problem. And try this problem.